Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you are fine. So in this video we are going to tell you how you can use ChatGPT to create SEO based descriptions for your YouTube videos, and you can also generate SEO based titles and tags as well. So I used to create my tags, title and video descriptions with the help of this ChatGPT. So you can see that a lot of content that I have made, I have already used ChatGPT for the titles, description and text generation. So okay, so right now we are at the chat gpt, so we need to make sure to enter the title of the video about which we are going to make a video, and then it will create a description for you. You can also adjust the length of your description with the help of this chat gpt AI tools. So let's say the topic of our video is how to use YouTube Studio. Give SEO based titles, description and tags. Description should be long. Okay, so we then just hit the enter button and we'll start working on it, and will provide you the SEO based titles, description and tags. So as you can see that they have provided us some titles. Uh, as you can see that it has also give us the instruction, but let's ask him again, because it has didn't given us, or it has also by the way it has given us. So you can see here, descriptions, it has given us the idea how we can use this. So these are the main title ideas, and this is a long description as you can see here, and these are the tags that you can use in your video, and it has also provided some tips and tricks how you can achieve good views. So that's all about it, how you can use ChatGPT to generate SEO based title, description and text for your video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.